Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to send money from EU to Telecel Cash in just a few simple steps. So let's dive in. And by the way, once you open your account, you can use the promo code from the description below and input it here to get $15 extra on your first transfer. So feel free to take advantage of this bonus. Now let's continue. Back on the homepage, you want to start your transfer by tapping Send Money. Then after that, you want to choose the recipient's country where Telecel is available, like Ghana. And then you want to enter the amount. Just input the amount you want to send in your currency or their local currency. After that, go ahead and select the recipient, add recipient. Then you want to select Telecel as the payout or delivery method. And then finally, go ahead and enter their mobile number. And that's it. Now you know how to send money from EU to Telecel Cash easily. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.